Now, let me finish with how to close the trade. So, let's say that by the time this option expires on July 9th, that Kroger is below 40.5. Even if it's 40.49. And I'm just going to move this over. Even if it's 40.49, it's still below 40.5. You can let this option expire, and it'll basically expire worthless, and you just pocket the 100% of that $50. Now, if you start to see that Kroger wants to maybe go above your strike level, then you may want to close the trade early, even at a loss, because, as I said, being assigned, having your shares assigned, taken away at this strike level, not only can you be losing money, but it's kind of a pain in the butt to go through that process. So, for example, if Kroger goes to $41, that because you sold this call for $40.50, that your 100 shares will be sold at $40.50 per share, even if the stock is trading higher. So you're kind of, in a way, you could have sold your stock for $41, but it's, you kind of engaged in this 40.5 price. So if you see your stock start to get close to 40.5, to avoid being assigned, you might want to close the trade prematurely. What you want to do is, since you sold this option to open it, it's going to be called sell to open. What you do is you want to buy the trade to close it. You're taking the opposite of what you did. So if you sold it, you want to buy it to close it. And if you buy it, it's going to usually say buy to close, and then that's it. You're out of the trade if it says to close the trade. So that's how you close the trade. But I like to do this in my IRA because it's not only getting the appreciation of the asset or stock itself, but earning passive income that in my IRA. So that's it for this video. Once again, I use indicators from this website, and I also learned a lot about option trading from these guys. They are well known in the trading community. In fact, John Carter is a multi-million-dollar trader who shares his actual trades with you. Mary Ellen McGonigal, she is an advisor to other advisors. She manages hedge funds. And Daniel Shea, she's actually a public figure. She oftentimes is asked to speak on CNBC and lots of other places. Bragi Horner, she's great at trading Forex, and I do Forex as well. And Carolyn Borden, she teaches, or she had taught about the Fibonacci, how to learn how to do the Fibonacci retracement. So if you click on these links here in my website, blockstocks.com, it'll give you a discount on options training and indicators. And there's a lot more to options that can make you money, maybe even more money than covered calls. For me, it all started with covered calls. That's how I got into options. And then it opened the doors to all different ways to make money with options, which is now my hobby. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Look out for some of my other videos and different ways to earn passive income using options, as well as other ways to earn passive income with dividends, interest, and online business. Thanks for watching.